Hello and welcome to my video where we explore creative and unique ways to decorate your garden. And this video, we will showcase many examples of amazing garden decor made from old furniture and things. As homeowners, we are always looking for ways to make our outdoor spaces more attractive and inviting. One way to achieve this is very repurposing old furniture and other items that are no longer needed. Not only has this a cost effective way to decorate your garden, but it also allows you to unleash your creativity and come up with one of a kind designs. Creating homemade decorations for your garden is not only profitable, but it also has its benefits. By reusing old items, you are reducing waste and giving new life to some things that might have otherwise ended up in a landfill. And the best part is that the possibilities are endless. You can create planters and flower pots from old shoes, dishes, and cups, and even use old furniture like a chest of drawers or a chair as unique and eye-catching garden decor. You can add plants to the drawers or even on the back of chair. All you need is a protective layer and a little creativity to transform these items into something beautiful. Not only is DIY gardening a great pastime for family and friends, but it's also an opportunity to inspire children to get creative and participate in the creation of homemade jewelry. There's so much material available from old plants to broken curves. The possibilities for creating cheerful and bright decoration are endless. Old wooden chairs can be repurposed as planter or used as trellis or climbing plants. Broken down bicycle can be used as a base for a garden sculpture or planter. Old windows and doors can be used as a decorative fence or as a form for a garden manor. And rusty watering cans and buckets can be used as a planter for herbs and small flowers. I hope you enjoy these inspiring examples of garden decor made from old furniture and things. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more creative and unique gardening ideas. Thanks for watching.